Say hi. Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, this is Sadia back again with another video. And this week, this is not a hijab tutorial. This video is going to be a shopping challenge. Yes, a few weeks before, I went shopping with my best friend and my sister in Nurjahan Supermarket, and I challenged myself to shop whatever I needed or I liked it within 2000 Dhaka. And Alhamdulillah, I successfully completed the challenge. I bought a lot of things actually. Yeah, I'm going to take you to this shopping journey with me and show you whatever I bought, and in the end of the video I'm going to show the looks I created with the things I bought. So if you are interested to see the looks, then please stick till the end. And before moving into the video, do not forget to like, comment, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Finally, let's move into the video.
If you're a Bangladeshi, you might have already heard about or been in Nurjahan Supermarket. It is very famous here. But those who doesn't know and those who are not from Bangladesh, let me introduce you guys to it. It's located in Dhaka city opposite to Dhaka College. It's quite a big flea market. You can find Deshi or Western, any kind of clothing here at a very cheap price. But be careful. You might even get lost in it as it is quite like a maze. I have myself already been a few times there and still can't find its remember its lanes. It's really like a maze. So today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to make sure shopping is easy there. So let's start. Tip number 1. Try to carry a backpack or a jhola kind of big bag, because you don't want to load yourself with multiple packets while shopping. I prefer backpacks and hang it in front of me to keep my wallet and phone here, because the lanes here are very narrow and it's a very crowded place, so pickpockets are very common here and you might lose your phone, your wallet or things you buy, so you have to be really careful about it. So be safe and try to keep your things inside the backpacks and hang your backpack in front of you. Tip number 2. Bargaining is main here. If you're not a good bargainer, you might buy a 250 Taka shirt in 800 Taka. So try to say half the price of the salesman's price. That really helps. I myself is not a good bargainer. That's why I took my friend and my sister with me so that they could help, and they did. So tip number 3. Do not show too much interest in any product, no matter how much you want it, because the shoppers won't let the price down and it's gonna charge you way more than it actually is. So try to keep your interest down. Tip number 4. Don't buy anything just by seeing it in one shop, because it might be a lesser price in another shops. You can find one thing in multiple shops here, so don't stick in one shop only. Explore as much as you can. So this one thing happened to me once. I went there and I liked the tops very much and I really wanted it, so I started bargaining and they won't let the price down. They were like, it's 800 Taka and they won't let it go. So I went to another shop, I said the price and I saw the product, I said the price and it was like, it costed me 300 Taka only. So do not stick in one shop, just explore.
ভাইয়া সাতশো বলার পর এখন আমরা অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্টকে জিজ্ঞেস করি অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট
কত দিবেন? 500 টাকা নেই, এটা শেষ।
অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট বেশি করে ব্রাউনি তুই এত বেশি কইছিস কেন বদমাইশ? না অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ভালো না, তুই 500 বলছিস কেন? তুই 100 টাকা দিবি।
এখন আমি একটা বলতে পারি,
আপনি তো বলবেনই না এটার পর না, তাই চলে ভাই অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট আগে তো খারাপ নিব ভাই। না না দিবেন তো, আমি জানি তো 500 তো বেশি বলছি, দিবেন তো 400।
So as you saw, we bought 750 tops in 500 taka only, but if you are a good bargainer, way more than we are, then you could have taken it in 350 or 400. So bargaining is the key here. After that, we shopped a little more. We bought a little jewelry. I bought a earring, and my sister bought something, my friend bought something, and we are all tired. I was done with my money. Now let's go and see what I bought, and let's try them out.